The next exercise is Compléter avec a, la, l apostrophe. So these are the 4 words we are going to use to fill in the blanks. So if you remember, we use au before a noun that is masculine, la before a noun that is feminine. So these are the rules you have to remember. So let us start. The first sentence, je vais faire du ski. I am going to do skiing dash montagne. Now all we have to do is look at the noun. Is it masculine or feminine? It is feminine. So we place a la. So simple. You have to look at the noun. If it is masculine, you write au. If it is feminine, a la. So we'll read the first sentence. Je vais faire du ski à la montagne. Moving on to the next sentence. Ils vont dash concert dash Paris. So the noun here. So we have to look at the noun after the blank, which is concert. Now concert is masculine, so it will be a l, but we know a plus l gives us o. So we will fill in this blank with o. O concert dash Paris. So we already know that if there is the name of a city, we fill the blank with a. So we have already learnt that before the name of a city, we write a. So, ils vont au concert à Paris. Ils vont au concert à Paris. So shall we try the next sentence? Elle fait une fête. Elle fait une fête dash campagne. So now, what is the word after the blank? It is campagne and it is in the feminine form. So we write à la campagne. Nous allons dash atelier photo du centre culturel. So now, what is the word after the blank? It is atelier. So now, here we see that the word begins with a vowel. So when it begins with a vowel, irrespective of whether it is masculine or feminine, we fill a l apostrophe, because whether it is l or la, there is going to be a vowel clash. So when the word begins with a vowel, irrespective of whether it is masculine or feminine, we fill it in with a l apostrophe. Nous allons à l'atelier photo du centre culturel. So now our last sentence. Vous allez dash cinéma ou dash piscine. So now the word here is cinema. So cinema is masculine. So o. Why is it o? Because it is masculine. It will be a l, and a plus l becomes o. Vous allez au cinéma ou. Now the word here is piscine. Is it masculine or feminine? It is feminine, so a la. So I hope you understood this exercise. I will read these sentences once again. Je vais faire du ski à la montagne. Ils vont au concert à Paris. Elle fait une fête à la campagne. Nous allons à l'atelier photo du centre culturel. Vous allez au cinéma ou à la piscine. So, the rules are very simple. A comes before the name of a city. AU or comes before the noun that is in the masculine form. A la comes before the noun that is in the feminine form. A L apostrophe comes before a noun that is either masculine or feminine but begins either with a vowel or a H mute. And there is one more word we can add to this. So in case the noun is in the plural form. For example, if it is montagne. So if it is in the plural form, we would have to write a plus le, which becomes o. So, o montagne. So this is one more word you can add. So this is how we do this exercise.